Okay, this is the next video, replacing substrings. So we have the keyword here in this video is replace. You can see what you can read about it if you hover over it. Basically, it's going to replace one word with another. This is going to this word that we type into the text box. We'll get to that. It is case sensitive, so it's a capital here, and it's also a specific word. So we'll play with that. Let's just play with it now, then we'll go on to some of the other things. Now this will not be a capital.
Put my shoes on and I'll be ready.
Okay. Someone just told me they want to go, so I'll finish this video up. So, where was I? Let's try something else. Let's see what happens if we put two words in here. Goodbye, Uncle Sam, U-N-C-L. I'm in a habit of spelling out loud, so let's try it. Okay, so the point being, this could be more than one word. It's case sensitive. We have a comma. And the way this program works is that we are taking this variable, we're giving it a value of the text string.text. So let's just look at that. So we're at our form, we're going to right click, we're going to go to properties. There's two ways to name everything. So there's text, which is blank, as you can see. But this is the way. So we're calling this up. We're calling information from the box, from the text box. The text box we named txt string. So let's look at it again. So we're getting the variable value from the text box. The second variable really is this, but we're using a method. So we're now taking this variable typed in the box and we're going to replace it. So I'll just show you this. So let's type in we're going to type this in right here. Okay, you notice how it popped up. It's been saved. So we'll just push tab. Now once we push this operator dot, you can see there's a bunch of different subroutines or methods that we could use. So these are built in, and they say, you can see on the right it says what it is. So we're going to create an error here. We're going to run it as an error. Why? Well, let's see. Why is there an error on line 18? Oh, we forgot to delete this. Computer doesn't know what that is. Delete it. Run. Okay, we'll say didn't work. You have to type in that word. Has to be case sensitive. So let's wonder, why would we ever use something like this? let's say we were making a test, and the text box said type in. Let's say it's a spelling game, and we have a bunch of words, but we say type in hello. They type it in, but they spell it wrong. It wouldn't work. And it'd say you could get the message goodbye, or it could say you spelled it wrong, or try it again. So that's one way you could use this. That's the end. Thanks.